here, it falls down. They act differently. So there's different chemical formulations between the inks. And so we're going to print with these. Now, do you want to be the high quality HP ink, or do you want to be the lower quality refill ink? You want to be HP ink. They always want to be HP ink. I always am the low quality ink. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to print. So if you want to follow me, we're going to start with yellow. We're going to open it up. Try not to spill on yourself. Take our pipette. And this is your petri dish, this is mine. In yours, I want you to put down a base of yellow. Something like that. That's good. And then put the rest back into the bottle so we can save it for future experiments. Okay, and then in the middle of your yellow, I want you to put one drop of black. Right in the middle. Now, I know you guys have been paying attention, right? So do you think that the black ink for HP is going to mix or not mix? It's going to stay separate. So you go ahead. If you can see that, I hope. One drop right in the middle. Good. Is it mixing or is it staying separate? It's staying separate. So the HP ink is staying separate. Now, what do you think is going to happen with this cheaper refill ink? Is it going to stay separate or mix? It's going to mix. And we'll bring the camera over here so you can see it nice and closely. So at first, it hits and it's like, oh, it looks nice. Uh-oh. It's migrating now. And this is the real stuff that you get at a refill ink store. This isn't watered down or changed. This is the real stuff. So you can see the difference that's going on there. And we can even shake up the HP ink and it won't mix. It stays two separate mixtures. Thank you. And why it's designed like that is because we've learned over time that if the inks don't mix together, we actually have better sharpness or better edge acuity to our inks. And to make an example of that, if we had on a piece of paper a big yellow line and a big black line and they were next to each other, the yellow and the black, see they're touching right here. With the HP ink, they stay two separate lines. With the refill ink, they would actually become a blurred yellow and black line. So that hard edge line goes away, the sharpness goes away sometimes with these cheaper inks.